I'm the director of the Regenerative Medicine program here at Rejuvenation, and the other thing I do and do well is precision medicine health optimization. My main goals are to keep you from having surgery. So basically taking all data pieces, including blood work, genetics, wearable data, or any other pieces of information that you provide, and then we come up with a plan to help you transform your health in the direction that you desire. The beauty of a place like Age Rejuvenation is we really focus on the doctor-patient relationship and really trying to give you adequate time to express what your needs and goals are, and then allowing us to come up with a plan to meet those goals. So I met Brett probably about 9 months ago, somewhere in that ballpark, and he was looking at me for a position totally different than what I'm going to do today. The beauty of it is he kind of looked at my skill set, looked at his needs, and kind of created a place and a spot for me. His biggest asset is he's willing to think a little bit outside the box. He's willing to kind of look, see, and make determinations on the best ways to help his physicians and his other providers to be optimal, put them in place to be passionate about what they're doing and really optimize their health. I think the biggest piece is it helps you feel great about yourself. You get a chance to optimize your health and your mental health, and you really feel like you're providing an outstanding service to people and really trying to allow them to meet their goals too.